Nairobi.
Odhi Nyamira, riwruok mar jochiw thieth e kaunti ma Nyamira olando ni gidhi chako ng'anyo osiptende duto ma Nyamira chakre kawuono bang' ndalo mane gichiwo ne tend kaunti no e miloye mane gigolo jumbe adek mokalo rumo otieno mane piny oru godo kawuono. Ne giwuoyo boma ma Nyamira kotelne kanyo gi jakom riwruok jochiw thieth e gwenge ma Nyanza Onyango Ndong'a ma oseyo piny owacho ma kaunti ma Nyamira kuom rem chopo singo mano mane gimiyo jochiw thieth go machalo kaka medo gi ngadho mag telo ber aluora mar tich chiwo hola mar bengi ka giwacho ni kata yedhe kod gi thieth mano sing chiw poko chiw negi. Wach ma giwacho ni miyo ok gichiw thieth makare ne jodak ma Nyamira. Gisingo ni ok gibidok e tich nyaka piny owacho chop kare singo makamago.
Solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong. Comrades, power! Power! Comrades, power! Power!
We are joining the county government of Nyamira on a strike that they initiated more than 3 years ago. We have patiently and diplomatically tried to solve the issues that we raised in our strike notice. But like we've mentioned before, the kind of responses Nyamira County has given us have been very disrespectful and very contemptuous. We have doctors who have been working for Nyamira County for more than 20 years, and they are in entry-level job group. The consequence of that is that the doctor is not motivated, and the patient is not getting maximum service that this doctor is supposed to offer.
We have been patient enough. We actually, as per the law requires we issue a 7-day strike notice, as we gave the county so many days, 21 days. They have not been courteous enough to us, even to invite us for a meeting to talk about the issues we have raised. And as we have gathered here today, we have actually launched the strike. We will be on strike for as long as it takes for the county to wake up and do what it's supposed to do.